Jumped in that Benz and I peeled off. Right out of 10, I'ma spin it all. I need some pin.
YouTube, what's up? It's your boy When I'm Up, and today I'm gonna be showing you guys a video on the royalties. It's gonna be an unboxing and a review. I'm gonna show you guys the brushes and what I think about them, how I use them, and all that type of stuff. So I'm gonna be unboxing these right now for you guys. You guys can take a quick look at them and show you guys what they're looking like. First, I'm gonna show you guys the hard corner brush. This is a hard corner brush. It look nice, so let's see what it's looking like. Oh yeah, this is nice. You see it says royalty. It's a nice brush, man. And you could tell that it got the corner point, so you can really get in that crown and work that crown, man. Get a good crown session. And with this is probably what I'm gonna only be using this for, because I'm beehive. I like the straight brushes, as you guys know, but for my crown, you can really get in there. So that's the corner brush for you guys. The next one I got for you guys is a soft 7-row. Looks just like this. Show you guys what it's looking like. This one looks nice, man. This is nice. See, it says royalty on the end of the handle. Blonde bristles. Purple finish. This is nice, man. And then you got the gold royalty letters. It's nice, man. It's just soft. And it's a true soft too, so you guys don't have to be like, oh, is it gonna be a medium? So it's true to what they say. So when they say soft, it's a soft. When they say medium, it's a medium. Like, this is a true soft right here. And I really like this brush, man. I like the color of it too. It really pops. So I'm gonna really be using this a lot too. And then we got one more brush. This is the pink medium blonde bristle royalty. Open this bad boy up. This is what it's looking like. This is really nice, man. All these brushes are really nice, and this is true medium. Like I said, all these are true to what they say. If it's a medium, like I said, it's a medium. Feels just like a medium. Good one too. Yeah, man, that's pretty much all my royalties that I have. I'm gonna get a quick session in so I can show you guys how I brush with them. So grab your brushes so you guys can grab a session with me.
Woke up in a new car, chopper on my hip and shoot a movie like a porn star. I'm a fucking porn star. In the same don't get on my bad side, I'm dangerous. Demons and angels.
Yeah, man, that's pretty much it, y'all. This is how I use my royalty brushes, and this is a good review, honest review. You guys know I always keep it honest with you guys. And also, I'm going to be doing a giveaway soon, so if you guys want to know about the giveaway or know any information about the giveaway, make sure you guys follow my Instagram, wet_em_up, wet_m_up. I'm going to put the username in the description. Make sure you guys hit subscribe, follow my page. I got a whole lot of content coming soon. I want you guys to check it out, so make sure you hit subscribe, turn on those bell notifications. And it's your boy When I'm Up, signing out.
Hang it up, throw your side up, go and bang it up. Don't f with me, no.